Beyond providing additional storage for cards and money, smart wallets excel at safeguarding your belongings. In this presentation, we present the finest selection of smart wallets for men in 2023, not only offering enhanced space but also ensuring optimal security. Join us as we delve into the top 7 choices, delving straight into the world of innovative and functional smart wallets. The Skyborne Intelligent Plus Trigger Wallet, a fusion of style and practicality. Wrapped in imported Italian full-grain calf leather, this wallet boasts an exterior and interior that exude timeless elegance, evolving gracefully over time. Its compact design seamlessly combines robust magnets, aluminum gold braided leather, and an innovative trigger ejection system, all working in harmony to provide a seamless and effortless experience. Amid its sleek form, this wallet accommodates up to 10 to 12 cards, including credit cards, business cards, IDs, and bills. Remarkably, its spacious capacity doesn't compromise on weight, it remains lightweight. Perfect for daily use. With a focus on durability, it ensures your essentials stay secure and well protected. Enter the Skyborne Trigger Plus Smart Wallet. A quick flick of your thumb grants you easy access to your cards, thanks to the ingenious trigger ejection system. This design marries smart functionality with sophistication, enhancing your everyday routine with a touch of convenience and elegance. Let's kick off with the most user-friendly and minimalist wallet we've encountered, the Fantom X. With its compact and modular design, this wallet presents an ingenious solution for efficiently organizing your essentials, right in your front pocket. It's a versatile storage space that accommodates cards, cash, receipts, coins, business cards, and even keys. The Fantom X doesn't just prioritize functionality, it's a style statement. Available in 3 distinct finishes, authentic carbon fiber, bamboo, and walnut, you have the liberty to choose according to your unique taste. Moreover, you can select from 3 different capacities that suit your specific needs. Despite its sleek and lightweight form, weighing only 1.95 ounces, the Fantom X is constructed to endure. Rigorous stress tests and premium materials ensure its unmatched quality. Security ranks high with this wallet. Its patented fanning mechanisms securely hold your cards until needed, thwarting unintended movement. Additionally, RFID protection is seamlessly integrated to shield your cards from unauthorized scanning. Taking it a step further, the wallet includes an Apple AIRTAG holder and a smart tracker, enhancing your ability to locate a misplaced wallet. The Fantom X embodies a blend of function, style, and security, elevating the wallet experience to new heights. Now, let's introduce the Vulkit VC203P Smart Wallet, a step up in terms of capacity from the Trigger Plus. Constructed with a robust aluminum shell, this wallet assures RFID blocking for the safeguarding of your credit cards and IDs. By employing advanced aluminum technology, it effectively shields your cards against unwanted wireless communications, bolstering your security. The wallet's design is both compact and functional. The primary card holder, ensconced in a durable aluminum case, accommodates up to 5 cards. Alongside, it offers 3 additional card slots and an ID window, streamlining the organization of your cards and IDs. Complementing this, the wallet includes a banknote compartment, ensuring a secure storage space for your cash. The Vulkit VC203P Smart Wallet seamlessly merges protection and convenience, becoming an indispensable accessory. Presenting the Walleon Smart Wallet, a departure from the norm. This wallet embodies a revolution, crafted to seamlessly align with the dynamic lifestyle of the contemporary individual. This cutting-edge accessory effortlessly merges advanced technology with an elegant design, culminating in an unparalleled fusion of convenience, security, and style. At its core, the Walleon Smart Wallet houses a built-in 2500 mAh power bank, ensuring that your devices never experience the frustration of running out of battery during your on-the-go moments. With wireless charging capabilities, recharging your phone becomes a breeze, eliminating the entanglement of cables and cords. Safety takes center stage with the Walleon Smart Wallet. This is evident in its incorporation of global GPS tracking, granting you the ability to monitor your wallet's whereabouts around the clock. The Walleon Smart Wallet harmonizes the essentials of technological innovation, style, and functionality, ushering in a new era of accessory sophistication. Here's another exceptional smart wallet, brought to you by Dango, the M1 AIRTAG wallet. This flagship vertical wallet flawlessly unites the ruggedness of CNC machined and anodized 6061 aerospace aluminum with the opulence of top-grain leather, creating a harmonious convergence of industrial durability and plush sophistication. With 4 cleverly integrated loopholes positioned at each corner of the chassis, the M1 AIRTAG wallet allows effortless attachment of keys, lanyards, or tethers, catering to both left-handed and right-handed users. Inside, a metal RFID blocking card cavity provides generous space, securely accommodating up to 6 cards of varying thicknesses. However, what truly sets the Dango M1 apart is its seamless integration with Apple's AirTag technology. The AirTag wallet ingeniously incorporates this state-of-the-art feature, rendering your wallet traceable and smart. The Dango M1 AirTag wallet stands as a testament to innovation, durability, and intelligent design in the realm of smart wallets. Say farewell to identity theft with the Ekster Parliament Letter Wallet, a perfect fusion of convenience and security. This wallet, sleek and minimalist in design, serves to simplify your daily routine by granting effortless access to your cards. No more struggling through the depths of a bulky bifold wallet, the Ekster Parliament streamlines your experience. With a simple button press, thanks to its patented cartridge action mechanism, your cards elegantly pop out. This wallet doesn't merely prioritize convenience, security is paramount. Equipped with built-in RFID data protection, it acts as a shield against wireless theft, ensuring the safety of your sensitive information. For an added layer of security, you have the option to incorporate an extra tracker card. This innovative addition guarantees you never lose your wallet again, as you can seamlessly track its location through the Ekster app. The Ekster Parliament Letter Wallet is a harmonious blend of practicality and peace of mind, elevating your wallet experience to new heights. The Sandwich Wallet occupies a delightful middle ground between the traditional bifolds and the sleek smart wallets. What sets this wallet apart is its foundation on an open-source magnetic platform, rendering it compatible with various other devices. Notable features such as RFID blocking, a quick access slot, and the magnetic platform contribute to its exceptional versatility, making it a compelling choice for seamless portability. So this was our list of the 7 best smart wallets for men in 2023. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel.